Hey guys, let's do an oil change. 2016 Kia Soul. It'll work for many years here. All right, let's look underneath the vehicle here. I got my oil drain pan set up. Right there's our splash guard stuff. I don't know why the cam's getting this weird glare. Make sure you always jack her up safely. Use your jack stance. All right, so we got this little guy that says oil filter cap on it with these three little tabs. Let's grab a little screwdriver, take that bad boy off. Right there's our oil filter. Let's see if it'll turn by hand. It will. Let's go. I got grips. Your small, strong, bare hands, like a baby cub. It's like a bare hand, but small. Oh, there it is. All the nasty oil on my hand. I love it. Let me soak up all those carcinogens. Osmose through my skin organs. Let's go. Another little tab here, 3 tabs. 2 of them still holding on. Bada boom. Little triangular piece. Look right up in there with me, guys. Right there, you see? Boom, we took that filter, it was straight up and down. We're gonna clean that housing off with a rag. Now there's our oil drain plug. What size is that? 14, 15, you think, guys? What do you say? Let me turn this down a little bit. Perfect. Lonely water. Lefty loosey. Righty tighty. Ooh, that 15 is too small. What? 16. Ooh, that was barely on there. Okay. Should be taken to about 25 to 32 foot-pounds. If my memory is correct, don't take my word for it. Just saying. Oh, look at that dirty oil. Let's get that off my hands. Gross. Gross. We got this little seal on the oil drain plug. It was on there real loose. It was almost too loose. Almost. All right, let's grab our oil filter and oil. Homeboy gave me the oil. 5W20 is what it takes. I'm not sure how much. We're gonna have to look that up real quick. Give me a Fram titanium filter, FS 9688. Take a little bit of this oil that's dripping down and rub it on that black seal. There's my pet toad in my garage. You hear him? He's like making some noises. Let's grab our rag. Oil filter. It's pretty much done draining. We're gonna wipe that off. Go. What's cool about these titaniums is they have the grips. Do not cross thread this. It should slide on like butter till it makes contact. Made contact. We're gonna tighten it and then try to go about a quarter turn. Don't over torque, don't under torque. Get it on there real nice and tight. You don't need a oil filter wrench to tighten them. You tighten them by hand. All right, it's almost done draining, whatever, there's a little bit left. You can let it sit longer. Dude, this guy was underfilled, for sure. I don't see any oil leaks off the get-go. But that oil looks pretty black. Probably overdue. All right, here we go. Take her down. Tighter than the last guy. If we want to be real nice, we can spray some brake cleaner up in there. What we're going to do is just give her a little wipe down. Only random customers get the VIP treatment, not friends. Let's get our covers. Sorry about the air compressor kicking on. We're going to stick the tail in and then pop it. Tail in, letters down, pop it. It's time to bring that hoist down, people. Don't forget to like, maybe drop me a subscription if this helped you out. That's how a hoist works. We're gonna pull that tab, put downwards motion. It's gonna unlock the mechanical locks, safety first, and she's coming down. All right, let me look on my chart real quick for oil fill. All right, engine compartment, pop your hood. And we've got 3.8 liters, or 3.8 quarts. Go into the engine right there. There's your oil fill. We're all filled up. Clean your cap off. I don't think she's had an oil change in a long time because I almost busted out channel locks to open this up. It was on there so tight. There we go. There's our dipstick. Put that back down in there. After we start it up, we're going to make sure there's no leakage from the oil filter. About 1 in 1,000 filters tend to leak because of bad seal. And then let it run for 30 seconds, a minute. And then double check to make sure the oil level's good and ship her out. Peace.